All you need is 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of corn flour to make your own powdered sugar. Is that simple? So let me walk you through the step how to make this happen. So the first thing you want to do is to measure your sugar. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do, you just want to level this off, and that is it. So just set this aside. So once that is done, the next thing you want to measure is your corn flour. So in your country you can call it corn flour or cornstarch, but it's just the white one that I'm referring to. So just measure that into your measuring spoon and then level that as well. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metsuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new video. So once you've done measuring all the 2 ingredients, so just add that into your grinder, and then what you want to do is just want to grind this until it is smooth. So start by grinding it for just a few seconds, like 10 seconds, depending on how powerful your grinder is. So once that is done, you just want to mix everything together, check the under, make sure it is well mixed, and then just check. You might see like little particles of sugar, so grind it again for another few seconds. So just repeat the grinding and scraping of the bottom like 5 times. So this should just take like seconds, like in less than a minute. This should be ready. Your powdered sugar should be ready. It's very easy, very simple to make. So this is how to make your own authentic powdered sugar without no nonsense added to it. So you can use it to make your shortbread, you can use it to make cookies, you can use it to ice your cake. Very simple. Anything that you need icing sugar for, you can use this icing sugar to make it. Very simple. Less than a minute you are done making your icing sugar. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to watch my other previous recipes. So many DIYs, so many amazing stuff, so you want to check them out. I'll see you on the flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.